really hard to pick a favorite moment in a holiday that can only be described as magical. Like, yeah, I don't know how, but if you ask me the highlight, I think it was definitely swimming with the nurse sharks, like snorkeling with the nurse sharks, and it was just an incredible experience. And after that, like when we came back, we had a silent meal because it was so mesmerizing. Yeah, it was a deeply moving experience, and yeah, that's got to be my favorite part of the holiday. Yeah.
Thank you. What did you enjoy the most about Cynthia's touch?
I think Cynthia as a person she's so chill. I really enjoyed the pace and the kind of like thoughtfulness and grace and attention to detail that she brings. And it's not just doing activities, it's you're part of this 5-day long story, and you're moving from one bit to the other, and all of it flows so naturally and so elegantly, that you feel like, I really felt that Cynthia has managed to bring the gentleness of the waves into the feeling of the 5 days that she organized for us. Yeah, I really, really appreciate how caring and how cared for like I felt, and Cynthia's touch is just, it's so special, and she's so special, and the people around, I think because she radiates this energy of ease and happiness and calm, and it's sort of everybody else, I think, absorbed that, and it was just beautiful. Yeah.
So what will you take away from this retreat?
I think I will take away, I was thinking about that the other day, that just to be kinder and more gentle with everyone else, but also with myself, and to know that it's okay. It's okay, and that's something that Cynthia also says in her yoga class, that there are there are sharks, but it's okay. So I think I will take away the feeling that everything is all right, and the universe has got my back. Yeah. Thank you.